I went into New York City from Brooklyn by myself and got off the train. I was 10. Before that, when I went to Yiddish shul, there was a contest in the shul. We were each handed a blue and white Karen Kayemet box to collect money for the JNF, for the trees. I said to my mother, I must have been about 9 at the time. I said, I want to go on the subway and collect money. That's the best place to find people. She says, go. Because the subways in those days was safe. When I went home at night, when I got older, never had to look over my shoulder when I walked home. And I had a whole speech made out, and we had little flowers to hand out. And I collected quite a bit of money. And when I took the box to the shuler and they found dollar bills, and remember dollar bills in those days, when you got on the subway for a nickel, was a lot of money, I won. I still have the little round copper pin of a chalutz holding a hoe on his shoulder with a KK, Karen Kayemet LaYisrael written around it.